Let's eat. Try this one. This is my I think this is the leaves of sweet potato. And also this one. Delicious. I show you how to cook this one. Ito mga lods, mga shes. Ganito ko po niluluto yung aking sinigang. So ito meron na siyang 1/4 na tubig ng aking lutuan. So ngayon ilalagay ko na rin yung yung ginger, yung onion, at saka yung tomato na rin. Ayan. Tapos pakukuluan po natin ito hanggang maluto yung tomato. Alright? So ito na. Kumukulo na siya. So ayan guys, kumukulo na siya. Pwede ko na ilagay yung aking pepper. Tapos yung aking tilapia. Ayan. So continuous lang natin siyang pakuluan. Takpan muna natin. Tapos mamaya na yung mga gulay-gulay at saka yung ating tamarind mix. Lagay ko na yung ating ingredients. So, lagyan ko muna siya ng pepper. Ayan. Tamarind is ready to put it, so I'll just put like this. My hubby is walking around. He's laughing. So let me see. I'm gonna taste it. So if it's too sour, it's okay. Ayan. That's okay now. And then I put a little bit salt. Not too much. And then it's ready now to put my my kangkong. Alright. Kangkong. And then my sweet potato leaves. Lots of green. It's healthy. Alright, I'm just gonna cover it. And then maybe about 2 minutes will be cooked. Alright, it looks yummy now with the green leaves. Alright, thank you for watching.